Hey guys, Josh here with Platform Builder. I'm creating my first plugin finally for this thing. It's already on the Unity Asset Store for free, but it's set up to do plugins, and the whole idea was to have different features to help build your platforms. So this first one that I've been working on is about procedural generation. So just showing you what you can do with this tool before we actually get into the details. Here you just have a ball rolling and trying to stay on the track. You can see the type of platform that you can achieve quite easily with this tool. There I fell off, but okay. So let's start over. We can just delete this one, and we'll go to the Platform Builder window. Pick a base material, create new, and like I said, this part of it, just like setting it up right now, that's just the basic, the core tool, which is already available on the asset store. So let's just do like a basic platform. So just create your points, move these out whichever way that you want, and do one more point. Why not? Something like that. Okay. So now that you've got the shape of your platform, this is where you would, with the base tool already, is you would start duplicating the sections and pull those out and create your own platform. So over here in the platform operations, when you have one of the platforms selected, you'll get a new button here to open up the procedural generation, and there's a number of options in here already, like how many sections you want to do, horizontal and vertical frequency. So that's going to make it, the higher the number, it's going to be more sporadic, more left and right turns as opposed to being straight. And then the min and max length is just kind of clamping down how long each section is. So it'll basically pick a random number between these current numbers, which is 18 and 25, and you can change those to a lower or higher number. But let's just keep the defaults, and we'll hit generate platform, and you can see right away it's already generated. It's pretty straight because the horizontal frequency is so low. The vertical frequency is 1, so you can see it's got some ups and downs. So let's change a little bit of the materials. Show material support. Alright, you get the idea. So there's our platform, and if I get my ball and place it there, you can see we can just go straight down this thing. Camera script probably needs a little work, but yeah, so you can see it just, push up a button, generates the platform for you. So let's mess with some of the options. So let's change the horizontal frequency to 5, vertical frequency to 2, and let's hit generate random. And you can see that it's added some twists and turns, ups and downs. So if we hit play again, I don't know why this thing is backwards. Okay, so now you can see we've got this platform that has some twists and turns. It's kind of got that monkey ball kind of vibe to it. So yeah, so we could change, you could just keep hitting generate random. If you don't like one of them, it's just gonna generate a new one at random. So you can do that. You can change the horizontal frequency and get real crazy. Like that's really crazy. So let's turn it down a bit again. But you get the idea. So this is the Platform Builder Pro Procedural Generation Plugin. Let me know what you guys think. I'm welcoming any and all feedback and what you guys would like to see with this. Most of it's pretty much done, so looking to get it on the asset store as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.